All right. Today we're going to bring a whisk, and this is a Danish dough whisk, along with the actual bread cutter. But I use this for a lot more than just bread cutting. I use this for cooking too, cutting the things in half and stuff like that. So we're going to use this. I like the handle. It's made of real wood. The design to whisk, all right? Just make sure you're aware how to use this, all right? There's different ways of using it. Some people rotate it when they're bringing it over, or they just spin it kind of, or just keep it handled. Different ways to do it, so you can into that. Today we're gonna do bread with it. Actually, not bread. We're gonna do a cake with it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. This is hand wash, all right? Not dishwasher because of the wood, all right? You don't want it this. The wood is beautiful design. You don't want to get it damaged on the dishwasher.
Oh, throw that away then. That's why.
Make sure this edges, all that good stuff is in there. There you go. I think you're good. Keep going to the bottom. Make sure that you don't grab any. You grab all the bottom one. I don't know.
All right, 15 minutes. Starting now.
Hit it a couple times today. That's good.
Okay.